My name is Joey Accardo. I'm the technical manager for Epiroc surface and exploration drilling in the U.S. In this segment, we're going to look at the return accumulator that is utilized on many of our rock drills. We're going to dismantle the return accumulator and take a look inside. The first thing we want to do is remove the cap that is used for checking. And at this point, we should have no oil coming out of here. If a large amount of oil comes out, we know that the diaphragm inside is blown. This accumulator is not charged. It's charged with atmospheric air. So simply removing the plug and reinstalling it is the correct charge level for this. But let's take it apart and look inside. I'm going to use a 50mm wrench to hold the wrench flats on the accumulator while we loosen the 36mm fitting that is attached. You might notice the blue zip tie. I'm going to leave that in place. The technician who removed this from the machine that is being rebuilt used that to mark it, and I don't want to throw off their work. We're also going to remove this sealing washer and place it aside, and remember to reinstall or replace. Once that is done, this assembly simply loosens up and twists off, and as does the cap. Inside, we have the diaphragm, which is shaped kind of like an hourglass. So all we have to do is pinch and pull, and we can remove it. We want to check for splits, tears, and other signs of degradation or damage. For more information or any questions, as always, contact an Epiroc service center or your local distributor partner.